I wanted to make just a quick video for you for how to upload your books or get me your books. So when you're done, and I'm using Emily's because she did put her book in my UNE bookshelf, but what you need to do is, do you see there's like the little sharing icon there? You're going to click on this and you're going to publish this online. Make sure you give it a title. So I think it's called Frankie's Journey. And then you hit publish. After you hit, it says, hooray, you publish your book. But then what you're going to want to do is click on this, which says copy public share link to clipboard. That's going to keep it on your clipboard. So then you're going to go into, let's go into Blackboard. And then you're going to, once you're into my class, you're going to click on submit assignments. And where it says book creator. And then you're just going to paste right into comments, paste, and there it is. You don't need to put anything else in there. They're going to ask you, are you sure you don't want to put attach a document or something? You're going to say nope, and then you're going to hit submit. I'm not going to hit submit because I don't want to put this on there right now because this is mine, but you get the idea. So again, I hope this helps you.